Hello everyone, I am Soumya Karunwadkar and I would like to take you through the origin of biotechnology and its applications in today's world. Basically, biotechnology, as the name suggests, it is the integration of biology and technology. It is a wide area of biology which involves the use of organisms or the living systems to produce or develop different useful products. Karl Erke, a Hungarian agricultural engineer, first time coined the term biotechnology in the year 1990. He is also known as the father of biotechnology. Now let's have a look on the various applications of biotechnology. So as you can see here, these are the major applications of biotechnology which I have put in here. So we'll go through one by one. The first is the proteomics and genomics. Proteomics and genomics is one of the important application of biotechnology which involves the study of the entire set of proteins and the entire set of genes by using the recombinant DNA technology. The next application is the recombinant DNA technology. This involves the insertion of the foreign fragment or the DNA into the host organism for the desired characteristics. The next application is in the field of healthcare and pharmaceuticals. This involves the production of various drugs defining various diseases. The next application is in the field of food technology. In food technology, the biotechnology plays an important role in improving the various foodstuffs for its novel qualities. The next application is in the field of medical diagnosis. Medical diagnosis is a major aid in the medical field wherein various technologies are used for determining which disease or the condition the person is suffering with. The most prominent example in today's world is the COVID testing kit. The next application is in the field of fermentation technology. This application involves the use of organisms to produce various fermented products like beverages, pharmaceuticals, etc. For example, beer, wine, yogurt, cheese are the examples of the products of fermentation technology. The next application is in the field of environment and energy management. It is a systemic approach to finding alternative source for our renewable energy resources like water, energy. The most important example is the biogas. And one of the most important application of biotechnology is bioinformatics. So bioinformatics involves the use of computational methods for biological applications. It has also been used for the in silico analysis of biological queries using mathematical and statistical applications. For example, the molecular docking to find ligand site in designing a new drug molecule. So these are few major areas of applications of biotechnology. Thank you.